Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Brittany from B&M Diaries. It is Sunday, April 11th, and it's a gloomy day out, and today is my dad's birthday. So happy birthday, Dad in heaven. I miss you more than anything. So this video is going to be actually different. It's gonna be nice. I hope you guys like it. We're gonna be doing what's in my bag. What is in Brittany's bag? You'll have to see. So here we go. Alright, so here we go. What is in Brittany's bag? This is a Michael Kors tote. I forgot the name, but my mom got this to me for Christmas. How beautiful. Oh, Mike got me this beautiful Disney chain. I love it. So here we go. What is in my bag? Here we go. So first off, I have my sunglasses. You know, when it's sunny out, gotta wear these babies, Ray-Ban, all day, every day. Next, I have my wallet. Another Michael Kors. Love Michael Kors. Sorry if you hear the beeping. My mom's baking a cake, so sorry. This is my Michael Kors wallet. That's always in my bag because, you know, gotta go shopping and do whatever. Let's see what else I have. Next, I have Purell wipes because we are in a hard time right now. Gotta have some Purell wipes. Next, I have in my purse is my AirPods. I love my AirPods. My Hello Kitty case. If you know me, I love Hello Kitty. She's my favorite. Don't come after me. I love her. She's the best. And I have some extra masks in my purse, you know, to be safe. Wear your mask. Mask the heck up, people. Also, I have my cream, my lotion from Bath & Body Works. I love Bath & Body Works stuff. It smells really good. Into the Night. Can't smell it, but it smells good. If you know Into the Night, woo! Okay, so also in my purse, I have some female stuff that I'm not going to show. You know, girls, you know what we go through. So let's move on to what else is in my bag. So also I have some Burt's Bees chapstick. You know, if your lips are dry. My lips are dry sometimes, so gotta have some Burt's Bees. Such a great brand. I think that one smells good. Now let's go with my Purell, my hand sanitizer. Like I said, going through hard times. Mike knows I love my Purell. I stock the heck up on Purell. So I have wipes and I have hand sanitizer. So it's always good. I also have keys in here. Gotta go find them. I have 2 sets. My house keys. This was my dad, so I took his thing, keychain. Sorry, Dad. And these were my work keys, which we had some good times with these keys. I love those, meaning I love the keychains on there because I have like Mickey and everything. So, you know, Disney all day, every day. All right. Next, I have my charging cable and the block. Always just to be safe. I have a portable charger, but it's charging right now. So I bring that to work or when I babysit or, you know, if we're out, whatever the case is. So I have these 2, which always comes in dandy. And also I have a lot of hair ties, which, you know, hair ties up in here for our hair. Oops. Let's see. I think one fell. So yeah, that's pretty much what's in my bag. Oh, I forgot to also mention I have some spray perfume, which is really hard to get out because like the side pockets are like kind of like rough. And I also have tissues. So if like, you know, you hear sneezing or you have a runny nose, I got...
Just editing this video and coming to this part where Brittany mentions about how she has the tissues in her bag. Well, I'm just surprised that she doesn't have a can of Lysol spray in there, because if you sneezing around her, she might douse you in the Lysol. She'll go get the sanitizer and the wipes and wipe you down. So, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, just editing it on my phone. But, all right, let's get back to Brittany's video.
Tissues, which I can't really get out because I had to shove it in there. And that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys the inside of my bag if you guys want to see it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye. Here is my purse. Here's the inside with everything in there. I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see. Bye, guys.